Hi guys, welcome to Watara Farms. As you can see, the birds are growing up and this place is too small for them. They need space, so I'm currently doing some electrical works here. I'm connecting light to the down floor so that I put some of them here. I put some of them here, so I'm currently working on that. I'm currently working on that. So this is what is happening here at the moment. See, too crowded. So I've already connected the lamp holder down here. See, I have the lamp holder here. It is connected and the wire goes through to the upper side. So I'm just going to tap the connection from here. The power flow will get power at the down part so that you can feed at night. So they are very crowded, very crowded, very crowded. See, so with this, if you don't do something about it, disease can easily clear them off. So you have to work as soon as possible and then remove some of them here and then take them down here. I'm going to take that advantage, that opportunity to separate the small ones from the big ones. As you can see, this one is small, this one is bigger. You see, this one is big. So some are small. So when they are feeding, the big ones try to bully the small ones. So at the end of the day, none of them get something to eat. You see, this one here is trying to get something to eat. But if you look at this big one, you can see it's full up. See, you can see that it's full up. You see, full up. You see, but the small ones, they don't get enough food to eat. So at this stage, you have to sort them out. Put the small ones at a particular place, and then leave the big ones also at a particular place. It will help you to monitor their growth too as well. So this morning, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to connect the lighting system here. When I finish connecting the lighting system, I just have to transfer the small ones down and I leave the big ones here. Those that weighs 1 kilo and above, I'll leave them here and then I take the small ones down. So even we just look at them directly, you see some are bigger than some. Few ones are small. See from the other end, see the small ones are still struggling to get something to eat. You see, they're still struggling to get something to eat. So you have to sort them out so that same size gather at a place to get food to eat. So this is what I'm doing this morning. Thank you for watching. Keep on subscribing to the channel. Returning subscribers, thank you so much. We are still working for more videos, so please try your best and subscribe to the channel. These birds you see are raised organically, no chemical added to them. They are doing very well. This morning I've seen sign of some disease which I have to treat, so I've immediately isolated that bird. See the way, see the way it's breathing. This one is a respiratory disease, so I'll treat it. I have my ginger intact. You see, I have my ginger here. I'm going to buy the other ingredients. I need garlic too, so I'll work on that and then let's see what happens here. So I have to separate them fast before it spreads. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Peace.